path will be 20%. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. South-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 4 p.m. 20 miles per hour. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Germantown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Indicated.
What the hell?
At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harper's Ferry, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Shepherdstown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Thanks, BAL.
Source, Lingelstown, and Enola. This includes the following entities. Thunderstorm was located over Shepherdstown, 20 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar.
They don't say that around Pennsylvania counties, Cumberland, Dauphin, and York. Effective until 4:02 p.m., the National Weather Service in State College has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cumberland County, Town, and Enola. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2346, Interstate 81 from mile markers 58 to 17.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30.
Mile markers 32 to 50. Interstate 200.
Has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, and York.
This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2346, Interstate 81.
Wow. You have interference today, apparently.
32 to 50. Interstate 283, mile markers 0 to 2. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through
SVR from LWX for Falkler, Page, and Rob Hannick, Shenandoah. Here we go.